Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zach Bryan on piano. To begin, focus on mastering a few fundamental chords such as G, C, D, and E minor. These are the building blocks for many of his popular tunes. Once you have these down, you can start practicing simple chord progressions. Remember to use a metronome to keep your rhythm steady and consistent from the start. Zach Bryan's music often features straightforward four-chord progressions that are easy to pick up. A common pattern might involve G, C, E minor, and D. Try practicing a simple arpeggio or a basic down-up rhythm with your right hand. Pay close attention to the original songs to capture the authentic feel and timing. This will help you internalize the music more effectively. To truly capture the essence of Zach Bryan's music, focus on adding emotion to your playing. Vary your dynamics, playing some sections softly and others with more intensity. Don't forget to use your sustain pedal. It can significantly enhance the richness and depth of your sound. Experimenting with different chord voicings can also add unique textures to your interpretations. Consistent practice is key to improving your piano skills. Aim for at least 15 minutes of focused practice each day. If you're struggling with a particular song, many online tutorials offer step-by-step breakdowns. Don't be afraid to simplify complex parts initially. You can always add more detail as you become more comfortable. Enjoy the process of learning and making music.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.